we are live now at Lagos, where I'm experiencing my first ever training meeting to learn about the production, distribution, and social media optimization.
We have various kinds of fake. We have people who will completely fake products. And the people who fall victim of these fakers are mostly people who will say, "Are you not selling your own 150? I saw it 150 there. Why are you selling 170? Because of 20 naira difference. You leave the shop of accredited distributor and buy fake."
Okay, so this has been a new experience for me. I've been open to a lot of lectures and teachings that I'm very sure will prove helpful along the way. I'm very grateful for X-Pression for this golden opportunity.
When you get your X-Pression products, selected products made in Nigeria that has this hidden tag here, we have X-Pression made in other branches, but globally made in Nigeria braid is the best.
It has been a swell and amazing time for me. I've learned so much about the X-Pression products and how they have been manufactured, and I'm super excited for this opportunity.
And let me tell you guys, trust me, X-Pression products are not just for beautification, they also ensure that your confidence in the hair you carry is soft and light, just like the one I have on. Thank you. We've been able to learn the various products X-Pression have and the processes involved in producing them. This experience has been exciting so far. Thank you so much, X-Pression, for this opportunity.
I've been able to learn the manufacturing process of all X-Pression products, from the extensions to the series to the rest and lots more.
There is this adage that my people usually say: what you are wearing on the hand, you do not need a mirror to look at it. You look at it direct. That's the result.